topic is that for desoldering and desoldering. Okay, so what you have to do is that you need a soldering iron. Okay, this is 25 watt to 30 voltage. Okay, so soldering and desoldering paste, and this is PCB cleaner. You can use a thinner also, that one you apply with a paint at home, the thinner also it will work. This is a desoldering paint, desoldering pump. Sorry, this is desoldering pump. Then the next thing is that this is this is called desoldering wire. Okay, desoldering wire. So this is the one. Okay, this is called desoldering wick or desoldering wire. This one. So now I'm going to take out one component. Okay, so I'm going to take out this. Any component from here, I'm going to take out one. So I'm going to take out this capacitor. This is the one. This one. First of all, if you want to take out a capacitor, you see this is minus, and the whole thing of this side is plus. So here, so what you'll do is that first of all, I'll apply a bit of this one, this soldering paste. Okay, apply here, 1 and 2. Okay, after you apply one, then what you have to do is that take one tweezer. Okay, you can take one tweezer. So now you can hold this one, or you can hold directly from here. See here. Pull down, check from here. See, pull down. Okay. This one, see. Pull down. Okay, this one already pulled down. So this one, what you'll do is that you can use with this pump. Okay, clear? This one also you can use with this pump. Okay, so now what I'll do is that this one already take out this hole. See, this one is plus, this is minus. So what I'll do is that now I'm going to fix this one. This is plus, this is minus. So I'm going to fix it back there, here. Okay, suppose now I fix it back here. So what I'll do is that I'm going to apply a little bit. Okay, here. Okay, so what you'll do is that take a soldering wire. Okay, take a soldering wire. You need, this is called soldering wire. Okay, so what you do here, from here you hold this part. Okay, here, that is done. Okay, it's done. See here, done. So you can fix perfect. So check here. That is done. So if you think that this is too much, okay, that is too much, means you apply lots of soldering wire. So what you have to do is that you can take out little also. See, you can take out. Clear? You can take out like that. So if you think that is too much, you can take out. You can clean. After that, what you have to do is that then clean this PCB. Clean this PCB using a toothbrush. Here. Okay. This toothbrush. Okay. Clear? After you clean that one, this is flammable one. so don't keep near to the fire or to the heat. Clear? So after that you check this is fixed properly. Okay, this is done. So now you can practice.